Good morning, my love. Welcome to another episode of Galley Gourmet with Jay. This morning, I had a special request from my husband, bagel sandwich. So let's get started. And the perfect breakfast sandwich. Let me take this out to Lance. I think he'll be really happy with it.